Hello! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a case when we have an equipment owner, we have a driver who operates the owner's truck, and our owner would like to have a settlement where he can see how much he makes, all his expenses, and driver's pay as well. Right now on the screen, you can see a perfect example of such settlement. Here on top, we can see all the loads which belong to our equipment owner. We can see driver's name. We can see load information, and then mileage, owner's percentage, rate, and amount. Below there are fuel transactions and deductions. Under deductions, there will be driver's pay for each load and any regular or recurrent charges. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up in ezLoads portal. First of all, we go to Partners, Vendors. We click New Vendor, and we fill in the information about our equipment owner. Then on your right side, under the billing, we click checkbox next to Additional Payee, we set the percentage, and we also click checkbox next to Equipment Owner. Then we go to Drivers, we find our driver, in my case it's Alice. In Driver's Profile, we scroll down, find Additional Payee tab, click Add, and in a drop-down menu, we find our Equipment Owner and add him. Our next step is to link our fuel card to our equipment owner. For that, we click Fuel Card. We find our driver again, click on the fuel card number, and under Status History on your right side, we click green pencil and select our equipment owner in drop-down menu. And finally, we will set up scheduled deductions. We click Accounting, Scheduled Payments. In the upper right corner, we click New Schedule. We keep the driver's field blank. We only add vendor, who is in my case ABC Trucking, and the rest we fill in as usual. We select the category, we type the amount, and then we set the dates. And now under the schedule on your right side, you can see the date when the billing entry will be generated. You can see the amount and which period is this deduction for. And that's it. This is how you set up this settlement. If you need any assistance with setting it up, feel free to contact our support.